Like to be handsome? Not one? What an illusion. They all think they are handsome already. If you ever want to know what you look like really, look at the Aadhaar card picture. I'll tell you what it looks like. And therefore, I generally say if you want to be handsome, give your hand to some. That is how you be handsome, you know. Not just by great looks. And therefore, one who serves God, one who follows dharma, one who follows spirituality, slowly starts moving from I to you. As we serve God, we're not just a bunch of religious sentimentalists and fanatics who come and serve God and forget about the world. As we serve God, our service also extends to people of this world. And you know what? When people see the men of God offer service to them, their faith in God is enhanced. Faith in God doesn't come by hearing a sermon. Faith in God doesn't come by reading a book. Faith in God doesn't come by coming to a temple. Faith in God comes by seeing a man who's worshipping God, serving God, is a devotee of Krishna, who truly extends a helping hand to someone and says, I'm there for you. And people say, yes, this is a Krishna's devotee, who's not just living in his own shell thinking Hare Krishna, Hari Bol, but is there to help others and serve others. May I now ask you, what is the most satisfying two-lettered word, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, wow. Thank you. No, as it gets further, I know it's going to get tougher. Now it's fine. The most satisfying two-lettered word, way. Relationship means more than one. अकेला दुनिया में रह के क्या करेगा? अकेला 20 बेडरूम का घर है. रात में हर एक बेडरूम में थोड़ा थोड़ा टच एंड गो सो के आएगा. हाँ, बेंटली गाड़ी है, बेंटली. हाँ, बेंटली गाड़ी में हृदय तो बेंट हो गया. What will he do? With all that one may yearn for at one's beck and call, will a person gain even a bit's happiness and satisfaction without meaningful relationships? Therefore they say, if you want to know how rich you are, drop a tear and see how many hands come forth to wipe it. That is how rich you are. Otherwise you may keep counting your wealth and no one there to really give you companionship. God, I know such people, bhatakti atmas. Just living in their house like a bhoot. No one there to share their relationships. What a satisfying word that is. We. Even for enjoyment, it has to be more than one, right? Maja bhi karna hai. Even if we had to give a great time, it has to be more than one. Imagine going for the party alone. And saying, tu hi hai, main hi hu, tu hi hai, main hi. What are you going to do dancing alone? Even to enjoy life properly, you have to have more than one. Not I, but we. And therefore Arjuna says in the Gita, Kim no rajyena govindah, kim bhogair jivitena va, yesham arthe kangshitam no rajyaha bhogaha sukhani cha, ta ime vastitha yudne pranam styaktva dhanani cha. Chapter 1 of the Gita. What is the use of the battle? What is the use of gaining victory? What is the use of gaining the throne? And what is the use of gaining consequent opulence? If all those whom it is meant for are present here on the battlefield and all shall be slain in this fratricidal battle, with whom to live? सब कुछ अगर खत्म हो गया, सब खत्म हो गए, तो ये ऐशो आराम को क्या चाटना है? चाटेंगे? कार को चाटेंगे जाके? हाँ? बोलेंगे मेरा डोल्ची गबाना का ग्लास है. हरी बोल. है? ये मेरा जॉर्जो आर्मानी का शर्ट है. हरी बोल. चाटेंगे उसको? What will you do? Simple question, you know. Even to enjoy life, you need more than one person. Even people who drink. अकेला है. People have a great time only when they're together. Imagine our devotees coming to a temple and we have kirtan. You will experience it after. When all these wild guys start dancing, when I start singing, अकेला नाच के मजा आएगा कभी? गाना लगा के नाच रहा है अकेला. Hey, what is the point? Enjoyment means more than one. Ladies and gentlemen, these days when I travel overseas, when I go to England, I don't carry money any longer. I've stopped carrying money. I just carry magazine clippings, you know. Just as simple as that, you know. You can see all of these are just plain magazine clippings. Green, isn't it? Yellow. This is all I carry. No money. No pounds at all. Why carry pounds? Why carry pounds, you know? There's no need to carry pounds. Because if you can change the magazine clippings into pounds, why? If you can change the magazine clippings, I showed you, right? Ladies and gentlemen, मैंने कुछ इधर झोल किया है? I have a half sleeve kurta, I haven't hidden anything. I showed you the magazine clippings right in front of you. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. 100 pounds. 10,000 rupees. Mac देखिए. अभी सब बोलेंगे प्रभु जी लेक्चर के बाद आपके पास आना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. बताइए कैसे किया? You know what I say generally? All of you have a very colorful life. Just like these yellow, blue, green magazine clippings, your life seems to be very colorful. My question is your life useful? Your life may be very colorful. Having a gala time with your friends, movies, chilling out. Is your life useful? We must make our colorful life a useful life. We must add value to paper. Imagine I've just changed paper to valuable currency notes. They are real if you want to check it out. Come to me later. They're all real currency notes. British sterling pounds. GBP. You know. All GBP. Imagine. My God, this guy's too excited. He's too excited. Wouldn't it be of value? Add value to paper and make paper valuable. The lesson is, you can't do it, don't worry, I can't teach you all this stuff. But the point is, add value to your already colorful life. Make your life useful. Be with people who add value to your life. Don't just hang out with people who take value out of your life by making you forcefully choose wrong things in your life. And as we add those valuable things in our life, that association, that company, that we, with those people, we will all struggle together and, have a great time. And may I invite all of you to see